Right on, eh, Jeff? Okay, let's do it, chaps. Let's get an unboxing done. George here from the Soul Supply inside the building with the 30th anniversary Nike Air Max 90 White Volt. And my good friend, the teal Air Max 90. And this was levitating, but when I started speaking, it obviously broke. So this is like a levitating, look. It's like magic. It is magic. Have you ever seen a shoe levitate? I don't think so. So, it's the 30th anniversary of the Nike Air Max 90 silhouette. This shoe is revered. This is known by everybody in London and a load of people outside of London. But if you were born in London in the 90s and the early 2000s, you would have been wearing one of these on your feet, because I sure was. Now let's get into the sizing as we're talking about feet. How do they feel on your feet? They fit true to size. Okay, they fit true to size, and these are very cushioned, and they're going to give you a little bit of height as well. So again, you know that I'm loving these as someone that's 5'9". They come in 4 colorways. This particular one, the White Volt, it actually sold out as a members exclusive on Nike, and it's going to be releasing. There is going to be a wider release on Nike of this particular one, and I would probably say that out of all the colorways, you've got this teal color here, you've got a navy, you've got the Volt. This is probably the most popular one, I'd say. They're priced at £115. So for Nike footwear, it's kind of a mid-range price. It's kind of good value for the shoe that you're getting. And let's not forget, exposed air bubble at the back, Nike branding at the back and on the tongue here, and a real nice mesh toe box. You know why mesh is good? Mesh is good because it doesn't crease up. Unlike loads of my Air Force Ones, the Nike Air Max 90 won't crease up. More longevity, people. And you know what we love in life? We love longevity. And we're back, people. Yeah, comment below if you would wear it with this. It also comes in the OG box. This is a much thinner box and it's better for your storage space at home. Space-saving box. Nike have got your back on this one. And the anatomical arch supports. These were part of the original Air Max 90 release, but to be honest, I don't quite know what they do, apart from support your arch, which I have never needed in any shoe ever. My arches are solid. Now, you can cop some of these already at Nike. They're out now. Make sure you lock the Soul Supplier app if they sell out and you want to find more stockists. But listen, this shoe is in my collection. This is a personal favorite of mine. Around 9 years ago, I used to go out to loads of different parties around London, and this was one of my first shoes that I beat to death in all the raves of East and North and West and South London. So, if you saw me out and about in this, comment below. This is the Air Max 90 White Volt. I'm George from the Soul Supplier, and I will see you next time.